Hello everybody around the globe, Ivan here from Market Respect. Welcome to my first video for this week regarding the dollar Canadian. So if you have been watching the videos for the analysis of the euro dollar and the pound dollar, then you know I already mentioned that this was the trade I was in, and I cashed a lot, and I was holding from last week. So yeah, there was some good entry points. So here 176, 70.60, then 61.80. I said that I will, and I did, to remove a part of my position from on the last high, and left the remaining part of position to the negative 27 Fibo extension, and that's what I really did. So this is the trade I was in, and which brought me a nice profit and really good risk to reward ratio. I explained everything. If you want to see what was the setup, you have a playlist of all dollar Canadian analysis sorted sorted out, so you can see how things looked like in the past, and what was my thinking and how things played out. So I'm not hiding anything. I'm showing really things as they are. So no bullshit here, no faking, just purely trading, winning or losing. This is something that I want to do personally like this. Not much here to say without repeating myself a bunch of times. So we are generally bearish, and the move on the weekly is bearish. So it's really clear that we are in bearish territory. We broke this upper trend line, and now we are here on these levels. I expect that we retrace to somewhere around here. So if I look at the weekly, or maybe the daily, is the bigger is the better to explain it on. So Fib from the last impulse move to the downside, so from this high to this low, giving me the 78.60 retracement level, where the price potentially could reverse back down to the next impulse move. This will also be I think in line with the trend line on the weekly time scale. It could be also trend line could be maybe this one, could be also the second confirmation, but nevertheless will not just jump in to this trade. We will see how the market will react on these levels. So between the 78.60 and 61.80 retracement from the last impulse move down, and when we see how the market reacts on this level, then if the market stops, we'll find the counter trend line. When the counter trend line is broken, then we will look for retracement, find a good risk to reward ratio trade by also drawing Fib and entering on a pullback on some 78.60 or 61.80, and targeting again the down move. Until then, we can expect a further we can expect more retracement to the upside before the next impulse move down takes place. I still cannot say that the overall trend changed. So if we check the weekly or the monthly, really based on this one candle, cannot say that this trend changed. So for me, now the grand on the grand scale picture and generally the main trend is bearish. The short term we are in a bullish mode, but we have to bear in mind that if you are taking a long position, that your probabilities are lower than if taking the short position. But nevertheless, we are always saying that do not fight the market, follow the move with the rules, of course. So finding the areas where to scale in, which has the biggest risk to reward ratio. This is the key thing to successful trading. That's pretty much it. I think majority of you that are following managed to catch some pips and to earn from this dollar Canadian move to the upside. I'm glad if you did. If you haven't, there will always be another opportunity. So don't worry, just learn and be patient and be consistent in your analysis, as I am trying to be, always showing the last picture and then seeing how the market unfolded, explaining what I'm thinking next and what my next moves will be. That's pretty much it for the dollar Canadian. Take care, guys. Wish you all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy, and if you like, subscribe to let me know that if you like this comment. If you don't like something, don't find something too clear, write me. I will make then a video regarding the generally the strategy, and let me know how do you find this. If you want to talk with me one-to-one, I'm also open to that, and I'm not charging anything, and I'm just doing this for myself also, and sharing, because sharing is caring, as they say. So that's pretty much it, and the next video is regarding the dollar Swissy, so stay tuned and watch the next video. The update on the market will probably come tomorrow if something major happens. If the market continues ranging, then I will be making an update on the day after tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll see how this will go through, because we already on Monday it started pushing hard, so the dollar was gaining strength against all majors across the board. So we already had a good push and good move on Monday morning. Started on Monday morning European time, and we'll see now how the market will unfold. I'm expecting a little bit of slowdown now, but it's all about probabilities, and the market cannot be predicted, so we cannot predict, we can only react and try to play this game of probabilities the best we can. That's all, guys. Wish you all the best. As I also always repeating myself, watch another video regarding the Austrici. Bye.